Hello, welcome back to Chemistry Simplified classes. In the previous lecture, we have learned about the classification of alkyl halides. Today, we are going to see about the methods of preparation for alkyl halides. What are the different ways by which we can prepare alkyl halides? Okay, so let us start. Method of preparation. There are different methods of preparation for alkyl halides. Basically, the first one is we can prepare it by halogenation of alkanes. I'm sure you all are aware of this halogenation of alkanes. Then the next one is by addition of halogen acids. Okay. Second is addition of halogen acids. Addition of halogen acids. Then third is action of halogen acids on alcohol. Action of halogen acids on alcohol. The next method is by the action of phosphorus halide on alcohols. Action of phosphorus halide on alcohols. And the fifth one is by action of thionyl chloride. Action of thionyl chloride. And the sixth one is halogen exchange reaction. Halogen exchange reaction. Alright, so there are different ways by which we can prepare the alkyl halides. So we will be discussing it one by one. First is halogenation of alkenes. So we have learned this in class 10th also, that alkanes react with chloro or bromo, chlorine or bromine in the presence of sunlight or UV rays or temperature to give various substitution products like chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, okay, so CCl2. So these are the substitution products for halogenation of alkene. Then next is addition of halogen acids. This addition of halogen acids takes place via Markovnikov rule. If you remember from class 11, what is Markovnikov rule? If there is an unsymmetrical alkane, okay, so if an unsymmetrical reagent adds up to the unsymmetrical alkane, the addition takes place in such a way that the negative part of the addendum goes to that carbon which bears the less number of hydrogen, okay, except when it is reacting with HBr in the presence of organic peroxide, that is ROOR. Okay, then next one is action of halogen acid on alcohol. Then we will also discuss what is the action of PCl5 and PCl3 on alcohols, how we can prepare the alkyl halides from all these 6 reactions. Okay, so first one we will be discussing. सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे how the halogenation of alkene takes place. So this is very simple. It takes place in steps. Actually, if you remember, this is a free radical mechanism. It goes through free radical mechanism. If you have learned from the class 11th, okay, so generally methane, okay, methane reacts with Cl2 in the presence of UV light. So it forms, in every step you will see that one hydrogen, one chlorine is added and one hydrogen is being removed. So from here you will be getting CH3Cl. In the next step, हमको क्या मिलेगा? CH3Cl will again react with Cl2 to form CH2. One hydrogen will be removed. It will give Cl2. ठीक है? यहाँ से हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे in every step one hydrogen is being removed. ठीक है? Then it will be HCl. Again CH2, Cl2 will react with Cl2 to form CHCl3 plus HCl. Again it will react CHCl3 Cl2 to form CCl4 and HCl. So in every step we can see we are getting different substitution products. Okay, carbon tetrachloride, fluoroform, and so on. So these are the products from a halogenation of alkanes. So this is again, all these are alkyl halides. Alright. So next we have addition of halogen acids. So let us see. Now in case if we have the symmetrical alkane, okay, if we have symmetrical alkane like R, CH, double bond CH, R, okay, in this case if we are adding HX, alright, so in this case it doesn't matter, इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कि हम यहाँ पे H और X को किस भी कार्बन पे ऐड कर सकते हैं. सो हियर अगर हम यहाँ पे कार्बन को, अगर हम हाइड्रोजन या हाइड्रोजन को ऐड करते हैं, क्योंकि ये सिमेट्रिकल है इसलिए हम इसको कहीं पे भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. सो इट विल बी CH, H, CH, X and R. Okay, but if in case we have a unsymmetrical alkene, for example if I have R, CH, double bond CH2, ठीक है, अगर हमारे पास प्रोपीन है, दिस इज प्रोपीन, अगर हम प्रोपीन में HX को ऐड करेंगे, so this addition will take place according to Markovnikov rule. ठीक है, ये addition Markovnikov rule के अकॉर्डिंग ही फॉलो होगा. So in this case the negative part, this is delta positive, this is delta negative. So the negative part of this addendum will go to that carbon which has less number of hydrogen. So in this case less number of hydrogen is present here. So the product will be R, CH, X, then this will be CH3. Okay, so this is the product. You can also use in place of X हम कुछ और भी यूज कर सकते हैं. For example, if I take suppose CH3, CH double bond CH2 plus HBr, okay, this will take place in MR. That means Markovnikov rule के अकॉर्डिंग ये रिएक्शन होगी. ठीक है, सो द नेगेटिव पार्ट, दिस इज डेल्टा पॉजिटिव, दिस इज डेल्टा नेगेटिव, सो दिस विल गो टू दैट कार्बन जिसके पास लेस नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन है. ठीक है, एंड दिस विल H will come to this carbon. So the product will be CH3, CH2, CH3. Alright, sorry if I have done some mistake, this will be Br, 2-bromopropane. But in case if we are using HBr in presence of the peroxide, अगर हम यही रिएक्शन को इसके अकॉर्डिंग, अगर हम HBr को एक ऑर्गेनिक पेरोक्साइड के प्रेजेंस में अगर करते हैं, in that case the negative part of the addendum will go to that carbon which has more number of hydrogen. ठीक है, तो इस केस में आपको क्या प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा? CH3, CH2, CH2, Br, because this will follow anti-Markovnikov rule. ठीक है, तो ये दोनों क्या है? एक्सेप्शन है हमारे पास. Next we have action of halogen acid on alcohol. So I hope this much is clear to you. Next we will proceed with the third preparation. Next is action of halogen acid on alcohol. So the general formula for alcohol is ROH. What will happen if it is going to react with HX? So this reaction takes place. Alcohol reacts with hydrogen bromide or hydrogen iodide to produce alkyl bromide or alkyl iodide in the presence of dry zinc chloride. Okay, dry zinc chloride to give. Now here you can see from here what we can do. We can remove water molecule and what we have left is alkyl halide. Okay, this is the general formula. We can put any alcohol here. Suppose if I am putting ethyl CH2 3CH2 OH plus HCl in presence of dry zinc chloride. This reaction takes place, and what we get from here, you can remove water, okay, and we will be getting ethyl chloride. Similarly, if instead of HCl we use HBr or HI, we will be getting ethyl bromide or ethyl iodide. The next is action of phosphorus chloride. Action of phosphorus chloride on alcohols. Phosphorus chloride, PCl3 and PCl5. So in order to get Rx, so here again I am writing the general formula ROH plus either PCl3, or we can, in general we can write PX3 or PX5. This gives me Rx, alkyl halide. Okay, so we can take CH3 CH2 OH plus PCl5. So in case we are taking PCl5, we will be getting what product? First product will be alkyl halide. पहला, जब यहाँ पे बस थोड़ी सी चीज याद रखने वाली है, अगर हम यहाँ PCl5 ले रहे हैं, then the product will be POCl3, okay? और अगर हम PCl3 ले रहे हैं, PCl3 की केस में हमको H3PO3 मिलेगा. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से आप क्या करोगे? सबसे पहले हमको क्या प्रोडक्ट मिल रहा है? RX मिल रहा है, तो हम RX ही यूज करेंगे. तो हम सबसे पहले अपना प्रोडक्ट बना लेते हैं CH3 CH2 एंड दिस विल बी Cl. हमारा प्रोडक्ट आ गया. अब इसके अलावा हमको क्या मिलेगा? भी अगर PCl5 है तो ये आप ध्यान पे रखोगे कि आपको POCl3 मिलेगा. POCl3 मिल गया और एक वाटर मॉलिक्यूल. बाकी आप इसको ये कर सकते हो, बैलेंस कर सकते हो. सो इफ यू वांट टू बैलेंस, तो यहाँ पे कितने क्लोरीन है? यहाँ 5 क्लोरीन. सो यू कैन बैलेंस इट आउट लाइक दिस. ठीक है, और अगर ऑर्गेनिक में बैलेंस नहीं भी करोगे देन आल्सो इट्स ओके. देन सेम रिएक्शन इट विल टेक विद CH3 CH2 OH plus PCl3. In this case we will be getting again the product will be CH3 CH2 Cl. इथाइल क्लोराइड तो हमको मिलेगा ही मिलेगा, और साथ में H3PO3 मिलेगा. H3PO3. ओके, और हम चाहे तो यहाँ पे PI3 भी ले सकते हैं. देन इट विल बी इथाइल आयोडाइड. ऑलराइट, सो दिस इज द रिएक्शन. दिस इज reaction of phosphorus chloride with alcohols. Next we have is action of thionyl chloride. Action of thionyl chloride on alcohols. So you can see अभी हम alkyl halide पढ़ रहे हैं. So all the reactions are from alcohol. Okay. So when we will reach chapter alcohols, we will see most of the preparation is from alkyl halide also. ठीक है, तो ये सारे interrelated हैं, हम ये देखेंगे. So here what will be the reaction? Alcohol with SOCl2. What is thionyl chloride? SOCl2. Okay, this will take place in the presence of pyridine as the catalyst. So what we will be getting? सबसे पहले तो हमको प्रोडक्ट वही मिलेगा. हम अल्काइल हैलाइड पढ़ रहे हैं तो हमको अल्काइल हैलाइड ही मिलने वाला है. दूसरा मिलेगा हमको SO2 और तीसरा HCl. ठीक है, ये जनरल फॉर्म में लिख दिया मैंने. यू कैन राइट लाइक CH3 CH2 OH plus SOCl2 in presence of pyridine. We will be getting CH3 CH2 Cl plus SO2 plus HCl. ये प्रोडक्ट हमको मिलेगा. ठीक है. Last is the halogen exchange reaction. Halogen exchange reaction. What is halogen exchange reaction? So this reaction is particularly suitable for preparing alkyl iodides. Okay, this is for alkyl iodides generally. So when the alkyl bromide or chloride is heated with a concentrated solution of sodium iodide in acetone, we get the alkyl halide. For example, if I take CH3 CH2Br. You can take alkyl bromide or alkyl chloride in presence of sodium iodide NaI in acetone. Okay, so from here what we will be getting? We will get the ethyl iodide. CH3 CH2I plus NaBr. Okay, this is halogen exchange reaction. We can also prepare another reaction which is known as Schwartz reaction. So that is when we treat alkyl bromide with silver fluoride, also known as Schwartz reaction. So from here what we will be getting? CH3F. Here what we are doing generally, हम लोग यहाँ पे सिर्फ halogen को exchange कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. So Br and fluorine both are getting exchange here. That is why it is also known as halogen exchange reaction. This reaction is known as Schwartz reaction. Alright. So these are the preparations of alkyl halides. Now we will see some of the physical properties of alkyl halides. First physical property is that the alkyl fluoride, alkyl chloride, alkyl bromide, alkyl fluoride, all these are gases at room temperature. But if we move on to higher carbons like till C18, other alkyl halides up to C18, they are colorless liquids, and above C18 they are colorless solids. Okay, the second property is that alkyl halides are generally insoluble in water, but they are soluble in other organic solvents. Basically, why? क्यों वो soluble नहीं है water में? Because of their inability to form hydrogen bonds. ठीक है? क्योंकि वो hydrogen bonding नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए वो insoluble होते हैं water के अंदर. Then alkyl bromides and iodides, they are denser than water, but alkyl chloride and fluoride, they are lighter than water. Then the next is alkyl halides have higher boiling points than their as compared to their comparable molecular weights alkanes. For example, as for a given alkyl halide, as the number of chain increases, the boiling point also increases. So it is Ri, Rb, R, RCl and Rf. Okay, as the size increases, the boiling point also increases. So these were the methods of preparation and physical properties of alkyl halides. In the next video, we will be learning about the chemical properties. We will learn about the substitution reactions of alkyl halides. Okay, hope you have understood this much. Okay, if you like my video, please like and subscribe it and give me a chance to improve every time. Thank you.